Meet John. Like you, he's a production manager. And like you, John struggles with operational visibility. Spreadsheets and paper makes managing the plant floor a challenge. ERP systems are not designed for plant operations, and John is unable to simulate consequences of new orders, changes, and variation. That was before. Let us introduce GE Scheduler, a finite capacity scheduling tool for manufacturing operations. GE Scheduler solves all of John's problems. GE Scheduler helps John see real-time information from plant floor progress. John is able to optimize manufacturing schedules by knowing why and where bottlenecks are occurring. John is now working in an easy-to-use tool and is eliminated using spreadsheets and paper. GE Scheduler was designed to help production teams make informed decisions regarding their plant floor operations. Look how happy John is now that he's using GE Scheduler. GE Scheduler serves production approaches such as make-to-order, make-to-stock, engineer-to-order, as well as batch-oriented. Don't be the old John using make-do tools that cause more chaos than efficient operations. Be the new John that uses GE Scheduler to increase operation efficiencies, avoid costly mistakes, and increase the bottom line. Start gaining operational insight and visibility the right way today.